Hi guys, welcome back to another timeless reading. So sometimes people ask me, how can this benefit me? So I'm gonna tell you what your guides are trying to get through to you. Knowing that when we make connections during life or through life, and maybe sometimes those people pass away, their energy tend to still stay with us, regardless of where they are. So it's important to cut those cords to release extra energy. Knowing that the etheric template body can actually help to make your connection to the universe stronger. And when we develop neuroplasticity, it actually teaches your brain another pathway to manifest faster. Thank you, guys.